Model: 68-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L1130. Body: white, Luton, box. Mileage: 191368. MOT: the 13th of October 2024. Engine: 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,